No, Henrik.
Yes.
No. Don't worry about it. Relax.
Say mercy, buddy. Say mercy.
Say mercy. No. Say mercy. No. Say mercy. Mercy. What the fuck? It's not funny.
I'm sorry. I love you.
I want to move us to South America. We're losing clients here. And I think there's opportunities for us all over South America.
I sent you there to learn about farming and irrigation practices so you would sound less stupid at sales meetings.
You were there for a week. What, you know every single corner
That's
of
enough,
grass?
Gabriel.
I'm sorry. I just thought it would be what's best for the family.
We don't give a fuck, so stop. Look at what you did to Mom.
I'm glad you had a nice vacation, because apparently that's all it was.
I did have a nice vacation.
Well, all the rest of us were fucking working here.
Ever heard of it?
We don't run away when things become difficult.
And then they started to fire up again down toward
Mr. Parker, what Family Forecast offers is consistent rainfall. Our practice comes at a price 50 times cheaper than any sprinkler tech on the market.
Yeah. Okay. Let's try for that direction.
No installation, no labor. Every week for as long as you want, you can have water from the sky, real clouds, natural nutrients, irrigation evenly distributed over every inch of your farm.
Try to bring it south to me. Wait, let me see.
Less risk, more reliability.
So, how exactly do these clouds work?
That's a family secret, kiddo.
More northeast. More northeast. Okay, Mommy, whenever you're ready.
It's going away. It's going away. And you're gone. There's no clouds.
Fuck!
I don't really see how any kind of rain dance or whatever you guys do will summon enough water for our entire farm.
You don't believe us?
No, not really.
Do you know the Jeffersons up the road? They've been a client for years.
Sorry, guys, but we're not going to be able to move forward.
Mr. Parker, you obviously think we're con men, but it's real. It's just reality. You'll watch it. You'll stand out there and you'll be, it's amazing. I mean, it's not like this isn't amazing. This will blow your mind the first time you see it, and then you'll be with us for a couple years and you'll be used to it.
I'll tell you what I know is real. Pipes in the ground, irrigation heads.
I'm sure when sprinklers were first invented, people didn't think those were real either.
Are you anything out here?
I'm trying my best.
Yeah, keep stroking it. Keep stroking it, big boy. Keep on that.
Gabe, stop.
Yeah, picture me there, huh? Seeing some fucking clouds now.
Stop, bro.
There they are. You getting all hard thinking about that?
You're failing us, Henry. It didn't take your grandfather and I this long to get better at our gifts.
It's just a lot of pressure.
Pressure. Cry me a fucking river, Henry.
Where are you going? Allison's. Wish me luck.
Why?
Just wish me luck. Please. You'll know soon.
Good luck.
I love you, Henry. And I believe in you. You're gonna get better.
Nick, I just hate it. I'm so disgusted with myself. It should have been one of you who got
No.
the gift.
It was meant to be you. You're gonna save the business. I know it. See you soon.
I love you, Henry.
I love you, Allison. I love you,
I love you. I love you. I love you. You can do this.
Sweetheart.
Right to the coast. So we're going to see
I'm coming.
amazing video.
Oh, sorry.
14 folks, I do believe, reading reports this morning out of West New York,
Nicholas, get out here. Okay, boys. With your brother gone, we face extinction. My gift is weak, but it's not gone. we will continue on. Understood?
Baby?
Or Delcan.
Nick?
Yeah, sweetie? What did you want to tell me?
Are you okay?
Yeah. I'm better than ever.
Do you think I'm ugly?
What? I think you're hot. I think you're smoking hot.
Come on, I just heard you.
Heard what?
Did you not just throw up?
In there? No.
Okay, then. Sorry.
Princess, come here. Come here. You're freaking me out. What's going on?
Nick, I think I'm pregnant.
Whoa.
Are you excited? Isn't that amazing that I prayed about it and God listened?
Wow.
Are you happy?
Reconnection gone?
Okay, Mommy, just try to stay really calm and really still. You know this, okay? Just keep your mind totally focused, Mom. There's no pressure from any of us, right, Dad?
You got this. You got this.
You got this, Mom.
Shut up, Gabriel!
Okay, I see. Okay, you're going a little too far north still.
Hey,
Mom.
hey guys. Yeah, it's look, I'm sorry, but next week's gonna be your last week. Okay, just well, we got a new sprinkler system and fuck off.
Is there anything we
Your
could
business
do?
doesn't produce the same rain it used to. Yeah, we all try our damn best, right?
Well, we recently noticed that you guys were planning to switch to sprinklers, and we were wondering, why are you...
We want to know what we can do to change your mind.
Look, I'm running a business here too, and I just need more rain.
Give us one more chance, please.
Please.
We won't let you down.
This hour, but things have
We
certainly
will not let
quieted
you down.
from earlier. We had a major outbreak.
So, I took a job with the sprinkler company. And Nick, I think you should come with me.
Alex, what the hell?
Come on, man. Look around. Mom's done. She can't work. We're down to one client. We're done. We've been done. Henry was gonna run this business into the ground anyway. Everyone knew that.
Everyone?
Yeah. Henry did too. I mean, he probably killed himself. When should I tell Mom?
Don't tell her tonight.
I'm sorry.
Jesus!
Is this what you wanted? Are you happy now? Is this what you wanted?
Hey, Mom? Allison's pregnant.
Okay, we'll get it aborted. I know, doctor. We can get it done tomorrow. Fast and easy.
Oh, okay. What about the Robinsons tomorrow?
We'll handle it.
Okay.
Is that all?
Yeah. Thank you.
Hi, Dr. Adams. This is Charlotte. How are you? How's the family? Oh, she's adorable. Yes. I'm sorry to bother you so late.
I'm sorry. It should have been me. It should have been you. You were never gonna save the business, Henrik.
Okay? Okay, Mom. Come on, stay with me.
I really wanted to keep it.
My mom says he's the best doctor around, so.
You are the best mommy in the world. I have never doubted you once. You are so good at what you do, and I love you.
Do you think Henry could have saved the business?
I guess so.
Really?
Well, you always thought he could. You were probably the only one who did.
Mom, hello? Mom, I'm sorry if I just fucked this up. I'm sorry. I know it's going bad, but please just talk to me. I think you can do this. I think we can do this together.
Made a mistake.
What?
I forgot something.
What?
I forgot something. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Yeah, Mommy, I'm feeling you. I'm feeling you, Mommy. Come on.
Come on, Mom, I know you're in there. Come on, you got this. Come on, Mommy, I love you. Please? Hello? Are you there? Are you mad at me, Mom? Can you talk to me, Mom?
I see something. Holy shit. Okay. Bring it, Maurice. Holy shit. Okay. Let's go west. Holy shit. Yes. Okay. Bring it this way. Bring it west. Come on, bring it this way, bring it this way. Yes. Yes, Mommy, yes! Thank you, Mommy.
What'd you forget?
Let's keep it.
Really?
Good work.
Thank you.